Hi, I'm Brooke Mulligan.
And I'm Smyser.
And you're watching
Attorneys React.
I have never seen Rain Man.
Oh, you haven't?
I mean, I know a little. It's okay. That's okay. I spoil a lot of movies for myself before I even see them, and I still enjoy them a lot, so it's perfect.
Refusal to even pretend that you loved or respected me, all these I forgive. But your failure to write, to telephone, to re-enter my life in any way has left me without a son. I wish you all I ever wanted for you. I wish you the best.
Is that you?
By the way, I cannot tell you how many people call me when someone dies and goes, are they going to do a reading of the will?
Is that not a...
No.
Okay.
No. I mean, maybe they did it back in the old days, but I mean, there's no
Well, you just
statutory.
get the will.
Yeah, exactly.
You read it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, there's no statutory requirement that there's like some reading.
I hereby bequeath to my son, Charles Sanford Babbitt, outright title to my prize-winning hybrid rose bushes. As for my home and all other property, real and personal, these shall be placed in trust, in accordance with the terms of that certain instrument executed concurrently herewith.
What does that mean, the last part? What does that mean?
It means that the estate, in excess of $3 million after expenses and taxes, will go into a trust fund for a beneficiary to be named in this document.
Who is that?
No, I'm afraid I can't tell you that.
Who controls the money? You control the money?
No, he's called a trustee.
What is that? How does that work? How does that work?
Forgive me, but there's nothing more I can say.
But this is like, I'm gonna have my lawyer read it to my son. Like that's creepy. I mean, that's some like
That's how
passive
you.
aggressiveness.
Yeah, there's some underlying issues. But yeah, why couldn't you do it during like working hours?
Right.
Now, I'm sorry, son. I can see that you're disappointed.
Disappointed? Why should I be disappointed? I got rose bushes, didn't I? I got a used car, didn't I? What's his name? What'd you call him? The
Beneficiary.
Right, beneficiary. He got $3 million, but he didn't get the rose bushes. I got the rose bushes. I definitely got the rose bushes.
Charles.
I definitely got the rose bushes. I mean, those are rose bushes.
There is no need to
To what? To be upset? To be upset?
He could have told him who the beneficiary was, right?
Yeah. So I mean, in California, certainly, any heir is, even if they were disinherited, is entitled to see a copy of the trust.
So they sound like a second family?
That's what I was just gonna say. Or you've got some girlfriend on the side that you provided for.
Privacy.
You know, that's what I tell couples that retain, right, to do their planning, right? I have a conflict waiver, and I'm like, I'm representing both of you, so anything you tell me is not confidential between the two of you.
I
And
tell
so
the other one.
if you wanna provide for your girlfriend, do not tell me, just because then I got to withdraw.
Yeah.
Are you sure that you drive this car?
There's only 28 miles on the odometer since I drove it a week ago last Saturday. Should be more than 28 miles.
How do you know this car?
Definitely know this car. It's 1949 Buick Roadmaster, straight 8, Fireball 8. Only 8,095 production models. Dad lets me drive slow on the driveway, but not on Monday. Definitely not on Monday.
Who's your dad?
Sanford Babbitt.
Sanford Babbitt?
They're brothers?
961 Beachcrest Street, Cincinnati, Ohio.
It's a good movie. Well, now with 23andMe, I feel like it's happening.
Yes.
It's happening.
Yeah, no, that's true. I've heard a ton of those stories.
I've heard it too, right.
Yeah.
So you have to understand that when we started out together, that he was only my brother in name. I made a connection.
I think it's very admirable that you made a connection, but I think the purpose of this meeting is to determine what is best for Raymond, whether or not he's capable of functioning in the community and what in fact he wants, if that's possible to determine.
It's a conservatorship. It's called limited conservatorship. It's for developmentally disabled adults. And it's limited because the priority is that to the extent that the disabled adult can do things, they want them to do things.
Raymond, do you want to stay with your brother Charlie?
Yeah. Yeah, stay with my brother Charlie Babbitt.
That's what you want.
Yeah.
Can I ask you something else, Raymond?
Yeah.
You want to go back to Walbrook?
Yeah.
Raymond, can you make a distinction between your brother and Walbrook?
Yeah.
Raymond, do you want to stay with your brother Charlie here in Los Angeles?
Yeah.
Or do you want to go back to Walbrook?
Yeah.
Two separate things.
Yeah,
stay with
okay.
your brother
Stay
or
with
go
my
back to
brother.
Walbrook?
All right. You made your point, okay? You don't have to humiliate him.
Stay back.
Ray, it's okay. It's over.
Yeah. They're like a Wahlberg with Charlie Babbitt.
Things have also changed a lot in this area of the law, just, well, since Britney Spears. It's changed, even just in the past couple of years. But it's changed a lot just because we've grown to understand developmental disabilities so much more.
But I just want you to know that what I said about being on the road with you, I meant, you know, connecting. I like having you for my brother.
I'm an excellent driver.
Yes, you are.
That's gonna happen again. It's so nice.
I like having you for my big brother.
Yeah.
It would be shocking to me that a family member wouldn't get appointed. Obviously, like, he's lived in this place, and so the status quo would get a lot of difference, but it would be kind of shocking.
It's a big change, though. So
that's true.
Instead of just changing everything about Ray's life, you know, it's Tom Cruise's character that needs to adjust his life.
Good character development.
Thanks for watching.